viewers, welcome back to my channel Gourmet's Delight by Faiza. In this I'm going to show you two ways of presentation and we are going to make pepper chicken. You can make this chicken in 5 minutes and only with 5 ingredients. I hope you will enjoy watching this. So let's get started. We need around 1 pod of garlic chopped. Then 1 teaspoon black peppercorns, 4 to 5 red chilies, dry red chilies, and now half cup of curry leaves. It's a very simple chicken and you can make it very quickly. And now I'm going to grind this to a fine paste. Into the wok, I'm going to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is heated, I'm going to add my paste. Now I'm going to add 1 kilo chicken with bone, salt to taste. Now cook this nicely until the chicken is cooked and it becomes tender. Lemon juice is completely optional. If you don't want, you can just skip this. Cook this until the water is completely drained. It has to become dry. The gravy has to completely vanish. It will take around 3 minutes. So this is our pepper chicken. I hope you enjoyed watching this. Please give it a try and